Hello friends, this video on perimeter and area part 17 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So based on all of these, let us quickly have a look at the final set of questions. Question number 1. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide, such that there is margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. Find the total area of the margin. So let us again draw a rough diagram to understand the problem better. So you have a picture painted on a cardboard. So let's say that this is the picture which is painted on the cardboard, and the dimension of this picture is given as how much? So, well, the real dimension of the picture is not given, but it is said that the cardboard on which it is painted, that is 8 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide. So let's say that this is the cardboard. Now, a picture is painted on this cardboard such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeters along each of its sides. So, you leave 1.5 centimeters here, here, here and here. So, along all the four sides, you leave 1.5 centimeters, and then a picture has been drawn on this cardboard. So, this is where you have the picture. So you have this picture, and this is the cardboard, and this is just the margin which is left on the cardboard. So now we have to find out the total area of the margin, that is this margin. This is the margin, and we have to find out the area of this margin. So here also we will follow the same logic. We will first find out the area of the cardboard, which is the bigger rectangle. Then we will find out the area of the picture, which is the smaller rectangle. Yeah. So let us first find out area of the cardboard. So the area of the cardboard is length into breadth, that is 8 into 5, which is 40 centimeters square. Now let us find out the area of the picture. So the picture is painted on the cardboard. So the area of the picture would also be length into breadth. But what is the length? This length is smaller than the bigger length, right? So how much smaller? So this side you reduce this 1.5. This side also you reduce 1.5. So the length would be 8 minus 1.5 into 2, because this is this side 1.5 plus this side 1.5. So 1.5 plus 1.5 is 1.5 into 2. So 8 minus 1.5 into 2 would be the length. And what would be the breadth? Breadth would be this height. So this height again would be total 5 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. So again this would be 5 minus 1.5 into 2. So this is equal to 8 minus 3, and this is equal to 5 minus 3. So this would be equal to 5 into 2, which is 10 centimeters square. So 10 centimeters square is the area of the picture inside. Therefore, what would be the area of the margin? So area of margin would be the difference between these two areas. So let us call the area of the cardboard as A1, area of picture as A2. So area of margin would be A1 minus A2, that is equal to 40 minus 10, that is 30 centimeters square. Question number 2. Two crossroads, each of width 10 meters, cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meters and breadth 300 meters and parallel to its sides. So let's draw the rectangular park first. So this is a rectangular park, okay, such that the length of the park is 700 meters and the breadth of the park is 300 meters. Okay, now there are two crossroads, each of width 10 meters, that cut at right angles through the center of the park. So this is the center of the park. So there is one road which is going like this. There is another road which is going like this, and these two roads, they cross each other at the center of the park. Perfect. Now the width of each of these roads is given as 10 meters. So this width is 10 meter. This width is also 10 meters. Now we have to find out the area of the roads. That means area of this road and plus the area of this road. So how are we going to find out the area of the roads? So let us see how do we do this. Now let us name this. Let us call this road 1 and let us call this road 2. So when we have to find out area of the roads, let us find the area one by one. So let us first find area of road 1. So area of road 1 would be length into breadth, because this road is also in the shape of a rectangle. So what is the length? So the length for this road would be this length, right? So this is nothing but 300 meters, because this is given as 300. So this would be 300 into breadth. So breadth would be this much, which is nothing but 10. So this would be equal to 3000 meters square. So this is the area of road 1. Now in a similar way, let us find out the area of road 2. So that would also be length into breadth. Now for road 2, this is the length. So how much is this value? This length is nothing but 700 meters. So this is 700 and the breadth is this much, which is 10 again. So this would be 7000 meters square. Now we have to find out the total area of the two roads. Therefore, area of roads, both 1 and 2, will be equal to 3000 plus 7000. Now do you think that is going to be the answer? Not really, because when we have found out the area of road 1, we have included this entire area. Similarly, when we found out the area of road 2, we have included this entire area. So if you see that this center part where both the roads are overlapping, this area has been considered twice, because when we calculated road 1 area, that time also this area was included. When we calculated road 2 area, that time also this area was included. So when we have to find out the total area of the two roads, then we add these two values, but from there we subtract the area of this square, because this is a square, right, such that each side of the square is 10 meters. So we have to subtract the area of this square. So area of a square is side into side, that is 10 into 10. So I hope you understood, right? Because the area of this square was considered twice. Once with road 1, once with road 2. Therefore, with the total sum of the area of the two roads, we are subtracting one area of this square. So 3000 plus 7000 is 10,000 minus 100. So this is equal to 9900 meter square. So this would be the area of the roads. Now in the second part, it asks to find the area of the park excluding the roads. That means if you leave the roads, then how much would be the area of the park? So for that, we first need to find out the total area of the park with the roads. So what would be the total area of the park with the roads? That would be nothing but that area of this big rectangle. Right? So area of park with roads. So area of park with roads would be length into breadth, that is equal to 700 into 300, that is equal to 210,000 meter square. So 210,000 meter square. This is the area including the roads. Therefore area of the park excluding roads would be equal to this total area 210,000 minus the area of the roads, which is 9900. So this is equal to 200,100 meter square. So this much would be the area of the park excluding the roads. Give the answer in hectares. Now we have got the answer in meter square because all the dimensions, all the length and breadth were given in meters. So that is why we obtained the answer in meter square. Now hectare is a unit of area which is a bigger unit. The relationship between hectare and meter square is 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So this is the relationship between hectare and meter square. So if 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square, that means this many meter square would be equal to how many hectares? So you will divide this by 10,000. So this divided by 10,000. So what is the value that you get? You get 20.01 hectares. So this would be the answer.
Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.